Hi everyone, welcome to Hi-Fi Max Car DVD GPS. This is Julie. Today, I'm gonna show you a vital function when you install Hi-Fi Max Audi 10.25-inch Android system. How to make the audio works when using this Android system. Let's take Audi A6 for an example. Go to Audi factory menu firstly. Press the media button in car. Rotate the joystick to find out aux in or TV AV in. Or you can see external audio input like this. Either aux in or TV AV in can be used for Hi-Fi Max Audi 10.25 Android system audio input. Let me show you how to conduct the audio adjustment. Touch the little car on main menu. Enter general setting by keep pressing it for a few seconds. Go to factory parameter. How we select aux position and aux rows. Let's go back to factory media. You can find AV in the 6th row. Get inside AV. AV1 is in the first row. That's why we select number 6 and number 1. Finally, CAN bus information and some other settings can be found here as well. You can choose to use factory camera, Hi-Fi Max camera, or 360-degree cameras. For AC mode, you can choose single zone or dual zone. And steering wheel key function. For more information, find us all over the place online and on social media.